hoping to be able to take my drone out today, but weather isn't really allowing for that. But this weather is kind of perfect for something else. All right, what we got here is a kite, not just a normal kite that you just kind of put up in the air and let it sit there. This kite you can actually steer and flip around. Gotta remember if I can how to put this together. Got this guy back in like 2015 or something when I was in Oregon with my family, and since then I've probably used it about like 3 times. So first of all, I gotta remember how to put it together. Second of all, could be pretty terrible at flying it, but we're gonna just have to find out. But yeah, I'm gonna zip through this. Hopefully I can put it together, and I'll see you guys after that. All right, got it all set up. Let's go try and fly it. It's much harder to get started than I remember. Is anyone wondering how I can control the kite? Probably not, but I'm going to show you anyways. For a kite to be able to fly, there are 3 things that need to happen. A person pulling on the string, this is called tension, the weight of the kite pulling it towards the ground, which is gravity, and the wind blowing against the kite, which causes 2 different forces. Lift, which is the upwards force, and drag, which is the slowing force. So for the kite to actually come off of the ground, you need to make sure that your tension is the same amount as your drag, and that you have a higher lift than the gravity. The reason I'm able to steer my kite is because with 2 cords, you can change the amount of tension in each one. So if you have a higher tension in your left hand, it'll go left. And if you have a higher tension in your right hand, it'll steer right. Crashed it. A couple parts of it have fallen off, so now I gotta try and find them. It's gonna be kind of hard to do because they're so small. Wish me luck. Here is the scene of the crash landing. As you can see, I found one piece so far. They're just the pieces that go in here, just springing up. But trying to look for the second one. It's not looking too good though. Still haven't found it. Probably gonna have one last sweep before I go home. Put this guy away. It's so cold. It's like 60-kilometer-an-hour winds up here. Yeah, just gonna look for it a little bit more. And oh my god! Oh my god! I can't believe I found it. Okay, we're all good. I found it. It's not broken. I can use this kite once again. Knowing me, it'll probably be like in another 3 years, but at least I have the full kit. All right, just walking up the driveway, made it home. Yeah, just want to thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoyed it, leave a like. Let me know if you learned anything, if you enjoyed the little educational bit. And hopefully I'll see you guys next week. See ya.